Locking wall measurements is a fundamental ensuring your total area calculations are correct. It is a faster and more accurate way of drawing, especially if the property or room is not square. Simply type your measurement using the number pad and tap Enter. Your measurement will then be applied to the wall. Once a measurement has been added, the wall can be made any length, but it will retain its given value. Watch as this wall is manipulated while maintaining its measurement. The total area calculation is generated by these wall lengths. To see how this works in action, let's copy this room but not lock the measurements. Watch the total square area value as we do this. Because the measurements in this room are locked, we can resize it without affecting the total area. Now if we do the same with the room without the locked measurements, the area total will be affected. A room might appear to be square or exactly the same as an adjoining room, however, they may measure slightly differently. Locking wall measurements will allow you to overcome this issue while keeping your plan accurate.